In the dry soil of northern Burkina Faso, a man and his sons plant a tree. The man is Yacouba Sawadogo. The tree, just one in a 100-acre forest that he's built over 4 decades. It's a monument to his dedication to protect the area from the advancing tide of desertification. And it's part of the reason why he's known as the man who stopped the desert.
It is my love of trees that pushed me to invest in this forest, because I know that trees can bring so much to the life of man. Trees strengthen the beauty of life.
Sawadogo's efforts were recently rewarded when
It is my love of trees that pushed me. It was a real desert before. There was no umbrage or shadow from a single tree right here.
rather than flee as others did, Sawadogo focused on improving the local zai technique. Traditionally, farmers start cultivating in the wet season. Zai involves preparing the land well in advance. Sawadogo and his sons dig holes filled with compost to catch moisture before the rains, and they also build rock walls to direct water to the seeds. As he's constantly refined the technique, he's passed on what he learned. The United Nations Environment Programme says though zai is labour intensive, it's increased production for farmers in the area by 100 to 150%. Sawadogo also uses the technique to plant trees, which he says have been crucial to reducing the effects of climate change. His forest contains more than 60 species of bushes and trees, as well as medicinal herbs that he distributes to the local community.